I discovered this order editing app the other day and wanted to do a quick video to talk about how it can improve your average order value and then also how it can actually improve your overall customer experience as well. So if you're a big store, I'm sure you've had experiences where customers send you a request after they submitted an order asking you to edit their address or saying that uh, they chose the wrong size or they chose the wrong color or they want to change the shipping method or you know cancel the order. So all of this takes time and resources, right? So you either have a support team or you have a chatbot that helps you with all that customer support. But this order editing app allows the customer to make those changes themselves. So they can go in and they can change the address, they can change the product SKU, or they can change the shipping method. And that way, they're the ones that are taking the time up and not your customer service team. So you can see that this app is working pretty well. Lots of 5-star reviews, 142 5-star reviews. And that's just one of their USPs. The other USP is really being able to upsell when the customer is doing the editing. So a lot of times people are showing the upsell right after the purchase, but a good time to show them is when they are actually making that change. You know that you have their full attention. So you can see here, this is a post-purchase upsell that you can send. So there's space in your package, get 20% off for the next 60 minutes, and then you can add to the order. And this has worked really well for a lot of customers. And I can actually see the founder on X actually talks about one of their merchants adding the app onto their Shopify store and made over 100K after 60 days. So 100K in additional attributable revenue to this specific app just by installing this app. So this is a um, very interesting app. In terms of pricing, so they have a couple of ways that they do it. So there's a 99 per month, but they take 1% of the total upsell revenue. Or if you have a higher volume, $3.99 per month, 1,000 monthly support tickets, and there's no usage fees, so they don't take any upsell revenue on top of that. So I guess depending on the size of your store and whether you want to just test it out, maybe you just test it out at 99, and if it looks promising, upgrade to the 3.99 at once it makes sense. So once that 1% plus 99 crosses the 3.99 threshold. But yeah, this is a super interesting app, something that I think everybody should try, and especially if you find yourself having a lot of support tickets, and yeah, it's really a no-brainer here. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick video to share with you about this app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you.